Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you a special selvage stitch that will keep your stockinette stitch from curling on both sides. Before you may find video tutorial of how to keep your edge from curling here. If you didn't check this video tutorial, I will leave a link down, please check. I want to add that this technique is perfect when you don't need and when you don't want to change the appearance of your pattern and don't want to add any borders to keep your edges, your sides from curling, like here. So if you're ready, let's learn it together. Usually when I'm not knitting in stockinette stitch, I slip the first stitch knitwise and purl the last stitch. So two selvage stitches. Here what I'm going to do, so I slip again the first stitch and now I made right lifted increase. So I insert my needle from back to front into the stitch one row below the first stitch on my left hand needle, lift it to my left hand needle and then knit it. So we didn't increase here, that's why we need to get rid of one stitch. So that is why we knit two together next two stitches and pay attention, we knit through the front loop. Now go on knitting all your stitches until you have 3 stitches left. Now slip next 2 stitches to your right hand needle. Now insert your left hand needle from back to front into the stitch that is below the stitch we just slipped in this way. Now return stitches 2 stitches back, slip next stitch knitwise, then knit next stitch and pass over. Pass slip stitch over the knitted one. So we decreased already one stitch, and this stitch, as you see, you need to knit it through the back loop. If you knit it through the front loop, you will twist it. So knit it through the back loop and purl the last selvage stitch. That's it. On the wrong side we purl all stitches and we repeat everything on the right side. So slip the first stitch and purl all other stitches. Purl the last selvage stitch. That's it, and let's repeat again. Slip the first stitch. Now make right lifted increase. So insert the needle from back to front, one stitch below, knit it, then knit two together through the front loop, knit all other stitches until you have 3 stitches on your left hand needle, You may right away make slip knit passover, but I do suggest slip next to stitches, then find, I will help myself here, insert the left hand needle from back to front, one stitch below here, then return. Now knit, slip knit passover, knit added stitch, it is like left lifted increase, and purl the last selvage stitch. That's it, guys. Purl all other stitches and repeat the pattern. Look how great it is. After blocking, of course, it will look even better. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment if this tutorial was useful for you and whether you know about this technique. As usually, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for your support and see you soon. Bye.